This is an excellent over. Yes.
Oh dear, oh dear. Kevin Peterson. Kevin Peterson.
Be a chance. No, it isn't. Exactly. Now we know what his plans are. If he plays 15 balls, then there is trouble for the opposition. Dhoni.
Here he goes. It's in the air. Oh, another. Number 4. The double winder.
How many he's going to get?
It's in the air and it's out of here. Well, look at the follow through, Douche. Look at that. Once he actually makes the strike, he gets such a lot of speed through the strike.
Yeah, that's it. Gap. He does it amazingly well. Mahendra Singh Dhoni.
6 sixes as well, and this one almost a replay of the 4 that he hit the previous over, except that he hit this
Straight down the ground. Never seen a shot like that before.